Hey, it's your girl, Zandra Lachey. Welcome to Lachey's Ways. Before we start the tutorial, I wanted to show you all that I am using the rubber band method. I sectioned my hair off in square sections, and when I put the rubber bands on, I made sure that they were loose enough for the hair and the crochet needle to slide under them. For this style, I literally used only one pack of the twin Marley Braid hair. Not really sure what this brand is. Oh, Hair Sense. Okay. And then one pack of the Afri Caribbean Curl in Sassy. That is a 12-inch. So I am about done with my hair, but I just wanted to show you all this quick and easy method real fast to install these twists. I'm using the Shine and Jam gel, and I'm taking a piece of the Marley twist and just splitting it down the middle to stretch it out. I find that when you split it, it makes it a little easier to twist. And once you stretch it, I like to make it even depending on your desired look, but that's how I try to keep most of them even. I take some of that gel and twist it at the loop where I'll be putting the crochet needle, and then I just put some on my hair. Since it's short, I want to make sure that twist stays for a long time in the hair. And so I'll just loop the hair right onto that needle and pull the needle through. Just a quick tip, once that hair is under the rubber band, make sure you close that needle back up because it will snag the hair. I learned the hard way. So here I'm just splitting my hair to blend in with the Marley twist there and putting just a little bit more gel just to make sure that everything looks nice and seamless. And then I twist as tight as I can. You want to twist so tight because you don't want the hair to unravel once you let the twist go.
And it feels like you don't know my name.
Once I get down to the bottom of the twist, this is where I install my curly hair. So I go ahead and twist to where I need to be, just to leave some hair out for that curly hair to go. And I just take one little strand and kind of twist it around the curl on one side and then twist it around the curl on the other side, and then begin to continue my Marley twist, and that's how I get the goddess type vibe.
Mind, and it feels like
Be sure to twist that Marley hair all the way down so the curl can be nice and secure. And that's it for the method I use. I go ahead and add some more curly hair just to get, more of the goddess vibe, and I split that down the middle. And I'm gonna crochet that one through as well.
there's something special about you, and I must really like.
I just put it on the needle there and pull it through, and I make a little loop. You don't pull the hair all the way through. And then put the bottom of the hair through that loop, and then you want to put the twist through the loop. That way you could kind of hide the knot. And this is just if you're adding extra hair. I think it looks pretty when you just add the extra hair on like that, and it's easy. So that's the look I was going for.
And it feels like
I was done. I had a little bit more of the extra curly hair, so I just started putting it in random places to give my hair a little of that extra oomph and volume, if you will.
you
is literally it for my no slip method. I really like this crochet and rubber band method for my short hair because these twists are not falling out my head, honey. I will not find these all over my house because my hair is short. Here goes the final look. If you like what you saw, hit that thumbs up button. If you have any questions or comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
I don't really need a all a bad bitch need is a I got pants in the coop, pressing at the roof. I got pants in the coop.